Hey, my name is Priyanka and I am health and money coach. I am an energy therapist and a transformation coach to change anything that's not serving you in your life. So today we are going to talk about three money blocks that keeps you stuck with money and that keeps you revolving around so that you stay in the money problem. So let's talk about that today. So what are those three money blocks? People think that money is hard to earn. It is limited and it is cash and currency. So what happens? There are many times we go into scarcity when we have to spend money. So people think that if someone has more, the other person will have less. They think that they will spend money so it will be gone forever from the bank. They think that it is in a scarcity and it is since it is earned with hard work, with lot of hard work, and it is earned with so much of difficulty or after putting so much of time and energy, so that is how they have earned it, and so that is the limitation that keeps on revolving around in their mind when it comes to money and spending of money and about thinking about how much money they have. So the scarcity pattern keeps on revolving around people, which is false. Universe is filled with lots and lots of money. Money is just not what we see money as cash or currency. Money is beyond what we perceive it as. Money is energy, and energy is something which is prevalent and present everywhere. So your home is your money. You have anything around you is money. You are money, and everything around you is money. Money is hard to earn. Now, we have been implanted with this thought that money is hard to be earned. Now, this is a big myth. Money is not at all something that has to be earned. Money is something that is our divine right and it comes to us naturally. But what stops us money coming to us naturally is all the point of views, all the blocks that we have, and there are infinite point of views one can have with respect to money, about money, and how money functions. So all these point of views, when we do not have the walls around us of all these point of views, we shed those walls and the money is there. Money actually loves to come to people who have no judgment and who have fun and joy in their life. And so if you enjoy money, if you love your life, if you around us of all these point of views, we shed those walls and the money is there. Money actually loves to come to people who have no judgment and who have fun and joy in their life. And so if you enjoy money, if you love your life, if you enjoy your life, if you have fun in life, if you trust money, if you trust yourself, then money is there for you and with you always. So how do these beliefs work? So if you believe that money is hard to earn, then you always feel or you get certain circumstances where you will always be having tough time in earning money, because we energetically or indirectly or directly prove our rightness towards anything, towards our point of views. So if we have this point of view that it is hard to earn money, to prove that rightness of it's hard to earn money, we create situations in our life which bring money with lot of hardships. Similarly, if we have this that money is limited, so we'll always feel scarcity with respect to money. We'll always feel that it's very difficult for us to spend money, or we will not have enough money to spend even. So how we have created the point of views in our life, similar ways In the similar ways, we create the reality around us to validate our point of views and to prove the rightness of our point of views. And that is why it becomes very important to shed all these point of views, whatever point of views they are. And it's very important before shedding them what all these point of views are. Because until and unless you know them, you can't clear them. Yeah? So now let's do a simple and very quick meditation on money using Ho'oponopono prayer, so that you will also have a practice of how to do that healing. And also this is a very beautiful thing that helps you in aligning your energies with money. So if for this, you can just pause this video and you can get a note, any denomination, and you can get your any currency note, and then you can hold it and just feel the touch of that note. It be it a dollar, be it rupee, anything, and then just feel the touch, and after feeling it, just kind of absorb the energies and close your eyes to center yourself and just say, expand my energies beyond this universe, and it will be expanded then. And just drop all the energetic walls you have around yourself, so that you can receive and you can perceive the awareness if there has to come something. And then close your eyes and just repeat calmly, gently with me. I am sorry, money. Please forgive me, money. I love you, money. Thank you, money. I'm sorry, money. Please forgive me, money. I love you, money. Thank you, money. And let whatever is coming up in your awareness come up. Allow it to come up and allow it to flow and float away and let go. Do not hold it. Do not judge it. And do not stuck yourself with that thought. And keep on repeating this prayer. I am sorry, money. Please forgive me, money. I love you, money. And thank you, money. You can use this prayer and do this prayer as long as you want. You can sit with this prayer and with this currency note as long as you want, as many times in a day you want. And this will quickly change your energies with money, and you will see the difference in various ways that can be unique to you, but that will take place. So this is how we can do a simple money meditation. So now comes here next step, how do you clear these point of views? So there are various things available through which you can clear the point of views. But for that you must know what all point of views you have. So few methods that you can use easily on your own to clear those point of views is one of them is Ho'oponopono. It is a Hawaiian prayer which is used to clear any kind of pattern, which is used to clear any kind of stuck energy from your energy field. And the prayer is, I am sorry, please forgive me, thank you, and I love you. This is what we say to the point of view, and this is how we communicate with that point of view, and this is how we resolve the energy of that fight or that holding on to with ease through by using this prayer, Ho'oponopono prayer. Now the second thing that you can use is EFT, emotional freedom technique, that you can use. It's very simple and you can use it to release any kind of block, and it is a beautiful therapy. It is a beautiful technique to release any block from your energy field and change it to something else. It works quickly. The third thing that you can use on your own are affirmations. So you can use affirmations, you can chant affirmations morning, night, afternoon or whenever you can, like you are standing in front of mirror or you are washing your hands, you are looking into mirror, and you can just say all the affirmations that are relevant to you. So few affirmations that I feel that are good to chant are: I love money, money loves me. Every day, in every way, money is growing into my bank account. I have abundant supply of money, and money comes to me with ease and joy and glory. I love money, and money loves me, and money loves to stay with me. I attract money like a magnet, and money loves to me. Money loves to come to me like a lover. So these are few the affirmations that you can chant, or you can create your own affirmations based on how your circumstances are, and then you can keep on chanting these affirmations. They will create the kind of energy that is required for you to have that kind of reality, because our point of views create our reality. So you can simply change by changing the thought patterns that you already have. So this is how we can do, and we can change simply. But for that, you must be honest to know what are your point of views when you do certain things with respect to money, or anywhere when you feel that something is going on and the pattern is going on. Just pay attention what kind of energy and thoughts you carry in your mind that occasionally or that frequently comes into your mind. So that will help you in analyzing the thoughts that you have towards money, around money, and for yourself, even with respect to money. Yeah. So if you have any question, drop a comment below. Check out my website for more information. The link is given below. I'm a coach, energy therapist, and a transformational coach since 2010. And I work with people to achieve what they desire without wasting their time and energy. If you want to book me for one-on-one coaching to get rid of your money blocks, let's chat. You can book a discovery call through my website. The website link is www.priyankapandey.com. See ya. Bye-bye.